Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new on this channel, hey, welcome to the family. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Esther Ogala. Please consider subscribing. I beg. This English word I speak, please say too much. I beg, no verse. Now God, I take you. Beg you. Every press the subscribe button. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to be comparing two vehicle for hire company, and that is Bolt and Uber. So guys, if you're looking towards knowing which app to download on your phone so that of course it can aid your movement in your location, this video is for you. If you're looking towards knowing which app to install on your phone for cheaper rates, this video is for you. And also, if you're looking to get more efficient and professional taxi apps, this video is for you. So stick around as we dive into today's video. Uber is an American company that offers vehicle for hire service, freight, transportation, courier services, and of recent, food delivery. Uber was founded by Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp in 2009 in San Francisco, California, United States. Bolt, on the other hand, offers vehicle for hire, food delivery services, and micro-mobility service. Bolt was founded by Markus Villing in Tallinn in Estonia. Now, many of you still mix up the name Taxify and Bolt. Whichever one you call, they are still the same company. Only thing is that Bolt is the new name for Taxify, so you might just want to adjust on that a bit. Now that we are familiar about these companies, let's move into other comparison. Now, we know that both of them are vehicle hire companies. One is from the Europe and the other is an American company. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is rates. Very important comparison. Gather around because as Nigerians, this is very important, the money aspect of it and how we are charged. First off, we're going to be looking at Bolt. Now, Bolt has lower minimum fare and it costs less when your routes are short. So, if your route is actually longer, get ready for hiking price. But if it's a short route, it will be way cheaper. The lowest price on Bolt I've seen is 400 naira. That's the lowest I've seen. I don't know if you have had any lower price without promo code or without bonus. If you have bonus, they slash maybe 10% or 20% out of your normal fare. But the lowest I've seen so far is 400. But if you have promo codes, you could actually get rides that are charged for 500 naira normal price slashed down to 200 naira on your promo code. So it's that sweet. Now the thing here is that both charges based on fixed fee and a variation of amount on your journey. So if your journey is longer than the usual, the way the price will increase, but very, very fast. That's how it will increase. And if there is traffic, it will increase. And the annoying part is that because when you ordered this ride, maybe let's say for a 5-kilometer or a 9-kilometer ride, there was no traffic at the time that you ordered it, it's going to be lesser. But in case you are now on the move and you meet traffic, just have it in mind that your price is going to change because of that traffic. And if God now help you, you now meet some drivers that they are just what they are and they intentionally take longer routes, your prices will obviously increase. So the best thing is to always stay on the map. Just stay on the map, that's it. Next up, of course, is Uber. Uber seems more stable in its prices. On Uber, I haven't really experienced rapid increase in price due to traffic or longer distance or so. I think on Uber, the money charged is the money charged, be it traffic, be it longer distance, it doesn't change. It's like that, it's static. But the downside about Uber is the cancellation fee. The cancellation fee is actually higher, and getting back your cancellation fee money back is the next one is the popularity. So Uber is actually popular outside Nigeria, especially in London. London is actually Uber's major source of revenue. Why? Because it has so many drivers in that city. So more like when you take out your app to search for drivers or to request for a ride, obviously you're going to get thousands of Uber rides or drivers answer you before you get a Taxify driver. So that's why outside Nigeria, especially in London, Uber is very, very popular. So now we're going to Bolt. Bolt has actually gained more ground in sub-Sahara Africa. And currently, it is 3 more cities more than Uber. So we have cities like Ibadan, ancient Ibadan in Oyo State. Taxify or Bolt has entered that city. Benin City also in Edo State, Bolt has ventured into that city. And lastly, Owerri in Imo State, Bolt has also ventured into that city. So you see, I think that in Africa, Bolt actually has more ground than Uber does. Even in Abuja, you have higher rates of Bolt users as to Uber. I am not saying that one is better than the other. There are actually times when one is preferable than the other. That's when you weigh your options, but it's not bad to have the two on your phone. Somebody asked me recently if Uber is actually operating in Abuja. I'm like, so you actually have more people who are Bolt app aware than they are to Uber app. The next one is driver. Before I forget, hey, how can I even forget these special people? These are the people that make this app run. You don't understand. A very, very special set of people. So the Bolt app drivers, to me, most of them are unprofessional. Let me use that word. I don't understand how after a ride, you take a rider's number and begin to call the rider. Like, I'm not understanding. Do you get? I'm not understanding. What's this? You begin to call the rider, you begin to call the rider on something not pertaining the rider actually. If the rider forgot her purse or his wallet or her bag or something or her phone, you might want to call and say, okay, you forgot this. Yes, bravo. But you now call a rider to start talking nonsense. I picked you the other day. You're so fine. I was like, really? Should I rate you? Should I take out my phone and send a message to Uche Bolt? No. If you want to hear the full gist of this story, because of course, this story is it's related to me one way or the other. So if you want to hear the full gist about this story of a Bolt driver going extra to take somebody's number and call the person to ask the person out. If you want to hear the full gist, say yes in the comment section, and of course, trust me, I'm going to download everything for you one time. And you have the ones that will give you gist from the moment you enter that car till you come out, there's no serenity. Gist. I think that's what you entered the car for. I am telling you. And ask me why. All for 5 star. Just for 5 star. So you mean, Ogasa, wait. You have been pestering my life with all these G's for just 5 star. Well, I call it just, but actually it's a very important star in their career. Well, I haven't seen Uber drivers behave that way to me or anyone I know, so I think they are actually more professional. But overall, both drivers have, of course, there are going to be some good ones, they are professional and all of that. They are conscious that if they misbehave, there is a portion in the app that allows you to give feedback or review about the ride and the driver. So these ones already know that I can't afford to go and just do anyhow. But some drivers will always be who they are or what they are. They will just form boo anyhow. I'm telling you, one even stopped me at the middle of the road and told me he cannot go any further. I should pay him his money. Another said he was going to slap me because he was wasting my precious time even after I'd given him correct description of where to come and pick me. Or better still, couldn't he have just followed the map to get to where I was? Because I counseled, Uncle said he will slap me. And I have never witnessed any of this using Uber. So that leaves me with the conclusion that both drivers are so unprofessional. You might have your own good tales about them. I don't know, but I would like to listen to them. Please drop in the comment section and let me know. Did you find this video useful? Would you love to see more videos like this? Reviews, cool chit chat kind of videos? Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know other content you'd like me to explore and provide for you. And until I see you in my next one, of course, I'm going to see you in my next one. But before you go, if you have not subscribed, I beg, please and please subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Spread the gospel, spread the good news. Yeah, I said that. Please and please subscribe to my channel, Esther Ogala, on YouTube. Until I see you in my next video, keep on being amazing, keep on being fantastic, keep on doing you, keep on loving you. Bye.